Also very nice. Today on the 22nd of May 2023. I love this color here. It's wine red.
Yeah.
This is here in Tikkurila, Vantaa, Vantaa Helsinki region, Uusimaa in Finland. On Orvokikuja, julkinen AIDS-tekisi ja vi har filmat oss i det tekisi CMB here.
And it's Orvokkitie.
Orvokikuja.
Tie.
Or tie, yeah.
Yeah.
So vi julkinen. The best is 8, this is 600 grams. I love this Schindler D style here for the automatic doors and the interior. Schindler Smart was built in 1999. It must have been the autumn of 1999.
Yeah.
It was finished late, finished in 2000.
No, building was finished, but I think the elevator was finished in 1999.
Yes, probably. And Schindler is 1304 to see. So the building was finished in 2000.
Yeah.
It was delayed, but the elevators have been built in autumn 1999. Let's take 2 rides here. We'll be expecting next year, 2024, when it will be 25 years old. This doesn't have the circle for the first floor, for the main floor. I agree with the circle.
Yeah. Tippaakin väistyttävät meitä paikkooni.
Yeah. And all the 3 caps have different colors here.
Yeah.
So we have 3 different colors here for the doors and the interior.
Yeah.
It's navy blue and it's dark turquoise and it's wine red.
Yeah.
Why there's the colors?
Mm.
And the Schindler put a door up. And those 3 colors give them a little more variation.
Yeah.
They feel very varied. So thank you very much for watching, and that's it. Please also watch us next to CMB.
That's